Welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for the FITTER 2020 and a mechanical engineering student. This is the class regarding miscellaneous problem. How to draw a orthographic projection to isometric view. Okay, first we have to take a length, width and height. How to take a length, width and height I'll tell you. Then after that I'll draw a isometric view. First observe the drawing what they have given, then after collect the length, width and height. So we have to collect from from front view what they are given, what the height as they are given, width. Just I am drawing simply like this without dimension what they are given. This they are taken 20 mm. The height they have taken 20, length 20, 20, 40, 20, 20. So 120 mm. This they have taken 120 mm length. After that the height simply they are drawn like this. This they have taken from here 25 mm. From here 25 mm. Make around a box like this, like a rectangle. Then we have to collect the dimension what they are given. Here 30 mm and here 30 mm. So that this will be a 30 mm and this will be a 30 mm. So this will be a 60 mm from here to here. This they have taken 60 mm and this is 30 c. So totally it has come 120 mm. After that from here they have taken 10, 10, 10 and 10. So this will be a 10 mm and this will be a 10 mm. They cut like this. So they are taken like this. So this will be a front view. In the front view they have taken like this. Then obviously the projection line will come down like this. So this will be a they given like this top view, and write in the sketch pen, then you can understand. This will be 40, 20, again it 20, again 20, again it's 20. The height will be 40 mm they have taken. So take a middle point. And there 20 mm. This 20 will come like this. Again this 20 will come like this. This middle is 40 mm and this will be a 10 mm. This will be a 40. This will be a 10 and this will be a 20. They joined here like this. So that the length will be 120 mm width will be 40, then height will be 45. So the drawing is like this. Then how to draw. Okay, it's very easy and simple. Take a protractor, mark like this, keep one middle point here. Okay, here take 30° and 30°. Whenever you do like this, then it will be a very easy. This is 45 mm. This is 120. Here the width will be 40. Then you make 45. Make one box like this. Then the drawing will come like a rectangular box like this. Make a rectangle box like this. What they have given 20 mm. See here, take here 20 mm and take here 20 mm. Draw one parallel line, take like this. Okay, after that this also a 20 mm. See the front view, what they given, what the slat has been cutted here, everything we have to observe. Then take here 20 mm and take here 20 mm. Okay, after that draw it like a box like this. Then the drawing will come very neatly. The measurement will not go anywhere, so that the drawing will come very neatly. So if you do like this, so the drawing will come very neatly. Go step by step, then the drawing will come very neatly. Show in the sketch pen. Make this point 20 and 20. First join this line and this line. So this is the first step. Then this is the second step. Go step by step, the drawing will come very neatly. So after that, what they given, take downwards 10 mm. Take downwards 10 mm. So draw a parallel line. This 10 mm will join here. Okay, after that go to the top view, the top, make a middle point, then the drawing will come easily 60. Then what this width has been given, the top, in this top they given us, the top they given us 60 mm. Take middle 30 and 30, so this will be a 60 mm. So the drawing will come very neatly. Don't be confused. So this 60 mm we have to join like this. Okay, wherever you go, the drawing will come very neatly. So this will be, so you got a middle point. What they given here, we have to take 20 mm, and here we have to take 20 mm. Okay, the downwards they have taken as 25 mm. Just you take here 10 mm and see the drawing how it is coming. 10 mm. After that, here they have taken 10 mm. Here they have taken 10 mm. So here we have to join like this. Okay friends, after that, here they have taken 20 mm. Here they have taken 20 mm. Join the spokes. So this will be joined here. So this will be joined like this. So the drawing will be like this. Don't be confused. Okay, after that, this slot they have taken 20 mm, and here they have taken 20 mm. So obviously this will come 10 mm. This joint will come 10 mm. After that, this slot also same procedure. See, this will be 25 mm. So the drawing has come like this. This will be 25 mm. Then this slot will cut here. Okay, this will be 25 mm. This slot will join here. Okay, so this is the drawing. You will get like this. If you got any doubt, please make me in the WhatsApp. I'll show you whatever the drawing. If you like this video, please subscribe and put likes. Ring the bell, you will get a notification. Thank you for watching my channel. Please share to your friends. I need a support from you. Thank you.